featuring Infill Recessed Access Cover Solutions by Mert Döküm. Why small details matter in modern infrastructure. Modern infrastructure is not only defined by highways, airports, drainage networks, and large buildings. It is also shaped by the small details that make projects safer, cleaner, and easier to maintain. In many projects, architects carefully design paving, stone, tile, or deck surfaces, but technical access points are still required for drainage, valves, electrical systems, and mechanical services. A recessed floor access cover helps solve this challenge. It allows the same surface material to continue across the access point, keeping the floor clean and integrated while maintaining controlled technical access. Mert Döküm Infill Recessed Access Covers are designed for architectural and engineering projects where access must remain available without disturbing the finished floor appearance. They are suitable for landscape areas, villa gardens, pool surroundings, terraces, balconies, commercial buildings, public walkways, and indoor or outdoor service access points. The recessed tray can be filled with natural stone, granite, ceramic, concrete pavers, timber deck, or composite decking. With galvanized or stainless steel options, a 15 to D400 load classes, EPDM gasket support, special key opening, and custom size production, the solution can be adapted to different project needs. Infrastructure does not end after installation. Drainage points, utility chambers, valves, electrical areas, and mechanical services must remain accessible for inspection and maintenance. Small details do not make infrastructure smaller, they make it work better. Mert Döküm, rapid access products for infrastructure.